Oh, yeah. Here you go. All right, we are doing a live lash application. Let me see. All right. Hello, hello, hello. All right, so we got Kamaya in the chair. We got Kamaya in the chair, so we're gonna do her some lashes today by Ardell. I love these lashes. These she wanted medium, so we're gonna do the medium individual flare. You can see these. So a lot of people ask, what's the difference between individuals, flare, and me? Okay, so these are the individual flare. You see how they flare out? That's what these are. And you apply them, you see where the ball is, you put that in the crease of the eye, and then of course you let the lash flare out. And so these are the flares. We do them here at the store. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the pack. Just like that. So there you go. Oh, natural beauty, just natural, just natural. Okay, so we're gonna open up the pack of Ardell lashes. All right, and you see it comes with 4 rows. So I usually like to use maybe less than a row, like a row and a half each eye, and then I might have a few left over. So checking them out. Like I said, these are the medium flare. They come in small, medium, and long, but we're doing the medium. And Kamaya, as you see, has some really long lashes, so we just just filling them in a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna start off, and I like to take a few of them off just to give me some place to sit my glue in like that. Okay, so I got this area right here where I will set my glue. Okay, so, and this is what I meant. So I can just grab my lash, grab my glue, and apply. Grab lash, glue, and apply. All right? So what I like to do is start from, I guess that would be right to left. So if I'm doing this eye, I'm going to do this eye, start in the corner and come this way. And if I'm doing this eye, I'm going to start here and come this way. And I'm going to show you why. So I like for my lashes kind of to touch. You see how the tips of them are touching in the pack? That's how I like to lay the first row. And then I come back and make a gap in between. So here, I'll do that here. And so when I pick up the second lash, I put a little glue on, you see how we got the flare right there? And you see how I put a little glue right there on the tip of the flare? So that way, when I put it on her eye, they will catch, okay? So I'm gonna put it on their eye, and now they're catching. And it makes it easier. It's just a system, so you're not taking forever fighting with the lash. So if it takes you longer than 15 minutes to do a set of lashes, you're doing it wrong, okay? And see how smooth this is? I'm dipping the back of the lash right here, and I'm dipping this tip right here. so they can sit right on down. And you can do this and let the glue, you don't have to press them together initially. The glue is like fresh out the bottle wet, so we like before we press it together for it to get a little tacky. So this method right here gives it time to get it a little tacky. All right, so look up, Kamaya. You can see we have just one layer right here and then no lashes over here. So what we're gonna do, look down, we're gonna go in between these lashes. So we're gonna go in between them and put the lashes on. Same method. Turn up a little light so you guys can see. Same method. And you don't want to use too much glue. The more glue doesn't mean the more it stays. It just means the more clumpy it is. Hold on, let me grab this little lash. Trying to get away. Thing. Same thing. Hello, how you doing?
Right.
Can I help you?
Yes, I want to get my eyebrows arched.
Okay, go ahead and sign in right there on the iPad. And voila, Kamaya has on her eyelashes. And these are the clustered individual. It took us, what, less than 5 minutes to do those? And that's how many lashes we use. Kamaya has got banned from the place where she usually goes to get her lashes done. So she has buttered me up. To do her eyelashes. All right, so check that out. We got showing the before, and the after.
Let me put my hands
No, do it.
down. My neck.
Oh, no, we're not doing nails today. We are just doing lashes, so just counter with the lashes. All right. So make sure you guys check us out. Kamaya has an eye. Okay, got a few eyebrows to do, but in between the clients, it's cool just to throw in a quick lash. Individuals do not take that long. Brows do not take that long. So just showed you. Don't forget to comment the word class for our next class. If you want to know how to do your brows for yourself or you want to know how to make money doing eyebrows, all right? See you soon.